Now assembly of mounting flange with pulley housing as per shown. You have to tighten all the nut and bolts. Then we have to insert the spool piece with flange provided for connecting the center adjustable center pipe. Then tighten the nuts and bolts properly. Then insert the adjustable center pipe. Then put second pulley housing. Insert the other spool piece with flange. Tighten the nut bolts properly. Then put the check nut spool piece. Tighten the nut bolts. Then insert that piece inside the pulley housing so that your check nut spool piece, then anchor housing, adjustable center pipe, other pulley housing and mounting flange is now ready. Tight the top bracket L-shaped type with 0 board. Then insert the T-type mounting bracket, then tight the nut bolts. Then take first meter board and tighten the nut bolts on the T-type mounting bracket. Then put another one and so on. You put on the T with the T-type mounting brackets, one T-type mounting bracket, second T-type mounting bracket. Like that go on till up to the total desired height of measurement is achieved. Then put the bottom plate which is having tag plate details, tag number, height to be measured, etc. with address with the help of T-type mounting bracket. Remove the check nut and insert the assembly inside the hole of the L-shaped top bracket. Then tighten the check nut. Then you have to route the rope through this entire assembly. And then connect the other end to the float. So remove the cover of the first pulley housing which is connected to the board. Then take out the pulley housing. Then take out the pulley and insert the rope and route through the first pulley housing. Then adjustable center pipe. Take it out from the other end, then remove the cover of the second pulley housing, take out the pulley and go on inserting the rope so that it will come out from the other end of the pulley housing. Then insert that through the mounting flange Then put pulley housing on the first pulley housing. Then insert the rope and then tighten the cover. Similarly, put the second pulley, put the rope, then cover and then tighten. Tighten it properly with the pulley pin and then see whether any friction is there or not. It has to smoothly move. Then take out the other end towards the pointer which is having a nut inside that. Like this it will be there. So remove that nut. Then put the rope, one end of the rope, then tighten that nut, that bolt, and insert the pointer from the zero board. Then pull that rope so that it will be free. There will be tension. Then take the other end of the rope, insert on the hole hook provided on the float. Then take out the extra rope and put it so that it will become same height to be measured. Then make a knot, make a one knot only. Then put a saddle type clamp, remove the screws, small screw and nut will be there. Then adjust it properly. Two sides of the rope to be inserted inside the hole of the saddle. Then tighten the nut and bolt properly. So this way the assembly will be there. So just lift the float rope so that pointer will come and up, move up and down. Suppose in case of anchor assembly is provided, then what to do? First of all, take another rope and tighten the rope on the hole provided on the anchor housing. Make it 3 knots. 2 to 3 knots. Then take another end of the rope, insert through the hole provided on the clamp on the circumference of the float. Then tighten it properly with the anchor hook provided on the anchor plate. Then put a saddle type clamp and tighten it properly. Now similarly, we will have to follow then tight it with a screwdriver so that nut bolts are properly tightened. Now similarly, you will have to do the same thing with the another anchor housing. Same procedure you have to follow. Tighten the rope on the anchor housing, then take out the rope from the hole of the clamp provided on the circumference of float. Then tighten it on the anchor plate, hook provided on the anchor plate, make a knot 2 to 3 knots. Then with the take a saddle type clamp, remove the nuts and tighten the clamp on the rope properly. So this is what the assembly of float board level indicator with anchor design. Similarly, the same procedure we can follow with the different MOC like PP, that mounting plane, pulley housing, pulley pin, pulley, then adjustable center pipe, rope, float, all are in PP. Similar procedure you have to follow. Thank you very much.